Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting a reliable baseline. That tells you what to improve. Connect your device via Ethernet because wired measurements remove wireless variables. Close background apps and pause large transfers, they skew results. Run a reputable speed test 3 times, spaced a few minutes apart, and note download, upload, and latency. Once done, compare those numbers to your ISP plan so you know if the issue is local or provider side. This informs every next troubleshooting move. Next, you diagnose where speed is lost and why. Update router and modem firmware, then inspect wireless channel congestion and CoS rules. These frequently restrict throughput. Run tests from multiple devices and at different times to spot peak hour slowdowns. Use traceroute or MTR to reveal hops with high latency or packet loss and review modem logs for errors. Make incremental changes, change channels, enable 80 MHz on 5 GHz, or adjust CoS, and retest after each change to measure real impact. To finish, implement durable fixes based on your findings. Replace damaged Ethernet cables, reboot or factory reset modem and router, and consider upgrading if hardware is old. If traceroute shows provider hop failures or consistent line errors, contact your ISP and share your saved test logs and timestamps. Make sure to isolate devices. Test one device at a time on Ethernet, so you can pinpoint interference or a faulty network adapter. If things go wrong, focus troubleshooting on the simplest component first. Swap the cable, then the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.